Samsung's official Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 promo material has been leaked last week. The image revealed the design of upcoming foldable phones, confirming the flat-frame design approach as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As per popular leakster Evan Blass, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold May 6th come in navy, pink, and silver colors. Few weeks Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6D dummy units leaks. Dummy units revealed the nearly final design of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 external screen width is 60.2mm, while the Fold 5 external screen width is 57.4mm. So Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a big cover screen. It has a 6.2-inch OLED cover screen and a 7.6-inch internal foldable screen. Both displays will be dynamic AMOLED and support a 120Hz refresh rate. Galaxy Z Fold 6 will see the same 200MP ISOCELL HP2 camera sensor found on the S24 Ultra inside the upcoming Fold 6. 12MP ultrawide, with the 10MP 3x optical telephoto camera, 10MP cover display front camera, and 4MP under display camera. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, also have 12 or 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The phone will also ship with One UI 6.1.1 based on Android 14 out of the box and should get 7 major OS updates and 7 years of security updates. Galaxy Z Fold 6 coming with 4600 mAh battery. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to become official in July 10th at Samsung's next Unpacked event, alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Watch 7 series, Galaxy Watch Ultra, and Galaxy Ring. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.